tentacle that can grab a fishing rod, and he can destroy ships and make ships disappear to the ocean.
Are they found in Bermuda Triangle?
Yeah, they are. The Kraken lives in the Bermuda Triangle and grabs planes because
Bermuda.
Is it the one that caused the Titanic to sink?
Yeah, he makes
No.
the bow underwater.
It's
and
queso.
Wait, queso is big. He can swallow you. Oh yeah.
It's you.
Nag-stop na magsalita lang
You say queso. I'm eating you first. Say queso for 1 week.
Queso.
Queso is bigger than you. I'm drinking water for 1 week to become strong and defeat the or bigger than the Titanic. But Titanic is big, but there's nothing bigger than the Titanic.
Oh.
Icon of the seas. He
Is the Titanic
have
did the Kraken cause the Titanic to sink?
yeah. Queso.
How about the iceberg?